Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the Taco Bell app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for delivery or pickup using your credit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Taco Bell app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Payments. Then on this page here, click on Payment Options. Next, click on Add Credit/Debit Card. And then on this page here, this is where you could actually enter your credit card information. Then click on Add Card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your credit card information to the Taco Bell app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.